Okay, I might not be good at this, but you know what I'm good at? Building things. Let's go. I have two sons, and like me, 25 years ago, Jesus. As I was saying, I have two sons and they like to play with their fingerboard, and they've been asking me to buy them a skatepark for the longest time now, but instead of buying one, I will make them a skatepark using cardboards, and to make it harder and stronger, I will use the technique called papier-mâché, which translates to English chewed paper. So this is how the skatepark will look like, at least I hope it will look like it. Off camera, I prepared a bunch of paper templates. Let me quickly prepare all the pieces I need for the assembly. And the last piece. As you can see now, I have everything I need to start finally assembling using the hot glue gun. So I'm stealing the hot glue gun from my kids. As you can see, it's a small one, it should do the job. And this is the first ramp. I like it. There is a few gaps here and there. I think I'm on the right path. I have finished the second ramp. That's gonna be in the middle, in between the big ramps on the side. And with this on one side, on the other side we're gonna have another big ramp. It's promising. I think it's gonna be really, really nice. I think the boys are gonna be happy. And we are back. We had the next day because the boys were coming home and I really didn't want them to see any of the skate park, so I had to hide it. I must say, I'm pretty happy with the results so far. It's looking good. It finally starts to look like a skate park. So let me quickly glue everything to the base, to its final positions. Once it's done, I'm gonna show you and explain you about the technique of papier-mâché. And let's go! These two ramps are glued together. It's not gonna move anywhere. I put a pretty good amount of glue, so this should do the trick. It's gonna be nice. Time to prepare the glue for the papier-mâché. You will need any type of white glue, a little bit of water, stir everything up, and the glue is ready. We can start to apply it on the cardboard. I like to use a brush to apply the glue because it's less messy. You will then need to rip a little piece of journal paper and apply it directly onto the glue. And then add another layer of glue over the paper. Apply the glue, rip some paper, and then add some more glue. Repeat this process until everything is covered. Quick tip: overlap the pieces for a stronger bond. So because this is gonna take me like forever, I will not make you watch me hours of applying journal paper, glue on the skate park. So I will check back later once everything is covered, and I will talk to you about the next step after. And I'm back. It's day 3 of the build. It took me way longer than I was expecting, but I think it was worth it. Now that it's dry, it's rock hard. It will not break on them like easily. It's beautiful. Let me show you how it looks. I think it looks really nice. I like it. I tried it myself. I was like a kid. It brings back old memories. So even though I'm really happy with how it turned out, I just noticed 3 things that I will need to find a solution for. First thing, it's still a little bit wobbly. The base is not perfectly straight. And the second thing I noticed, it's a good point and the bad point at the same time. It's light. As you can see, I can lift it with a few fingers, but that's also the problem because it's so light. If it's on a slippery surface like maybe the floor or the table, I'm scared that it's gonna, move around. Maybe I need to put another layer of cardboard under the base, so maybe at the same time I will solve the first problem. It will straighten the base and it will make it a little bit heavier. And the third thing I noticed while I was gluing the ramps to the base, I noticed that my cuts were not perfect and there were a small gap. So because the transition from the ramp to the base was not perfect, I took thick drawing paper and I cut it to the width of the ramp. Now the transition from the ramp to the base to the street is now perfect and the riding experience is even better. I think it looks cool like this, papier-mâché style, but I really want to make it beautiful. I still want to paint it, but for now, let's wait for the boys to come home. So, you ready?
Yes.
You want to see the skatepark?
Yes.
Follow me, let's go. It's on the bed of Zach. And? What do you think?
So good.
Try it.
Okay. Wait.
Where you want to start?
This one.
Like this? And?
So funny.
Yes? What do you think? Should we paint it?
Yes.
We can put stickers on it.
Yeah.
This could be cool, huh?
Yeah.
You like it?
Thank you, Dad.
I think I can safely say that it's a success, and I think it's gonna be even better once it's painted.